In today's video, I will walk you through how to add shape in PowerPoint. Start by opening your presentation, then go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click Shapes to open the list of available shapes. Choose a shape such as a rectangle, circle or oval, arrow, line, or callout. After selecting a shape, click and drag on the slide to draw it. You can adjust the size by dragging as you draw. Another way to add a shape is by selecting one and then placing it on the slide. Click once on the slide to create a fixed size shape, or click and drag to manually adjust the size as you place it. After the shape is added, you can continue selecting other shapes from the Shapes menu and repeat the same process. Make sure you are on the Insert tab each time you want to add a new shape. You can switch between different shapes anytime by clicking Shapes again and choosing a new option. Each shape can be placed anywhere on the slide by clicking or dragging. Use the click and drag method when you need more control over the shape size and position. That's how you add shapes in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching the video.